Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about landforms and bodies of water. In this lesson, you will be able to describe the characteristics of some landforms and bodies of water. Are you ready? Look around your community. Do you see mountains, hills, plains, rivers, or seas? These are called landforms and bodies of water. The surface of the earth is not flat. It is made up of different landforms and bodies of water that affect climate, plants and animals, human activities, and settlements. Landforms. Landforms are natural physical features of the Earth's surface. They are made of land and have different shapes, sizes, and elevations. These are some examples of landforms: mountains, valleys, and plains. Mountains. A mountain is a natural landform that reaches high elevations. The Philippines is a mountainous country. The island of Luzon is a low-lying area, but is known for its rich and diverse mountains such as the Sierra Madre, Caraballo Mountains, and Cordillera Central, where Luzon's highest peak, Mount Pulag, is located. While the highest peak in the Philippines is the Mount Apo, located in Mindanao. Mountains influence the living and non-living things in an area. The temperature in the mountains is cooler than the temperature in the lowlands. Climates in the mountains tend to be wetter than those in the flatlands. Mountains also receive more rainfall because the temperature at the top of the mountains is lower than that in the surrounding flatlands. Cooler air in mountains hold as much moisture. The moisture in the air turns into tiny water droplets, forming clouds. Once the clouds get heavy enough, the moisture falls as rain. People living in mountainous regions experience rugged terrains, higher altitudes, and cooler climates. As a result, they have to bear colder climates. Valleys. A valley is a low area found between hills or mountains. Streams and rivers in mountains often carve out valleys. Valleys are created by erosion. Streams and rivers flow down from mountains. Flowing water causes erosion. Rocks and sediments carried by rivers slowly wear away the land. Over time, valleys become deeper and wider. Valleys between older mountains are usually wide, while valleys between younger mountains are narrow. Why do you think this is so? This is because older mountains have more time to erode. Over time, the valleys may become V-shaped valleys formed by rivers, U-shaped valleys formed by glaciers, and flat valleys formed by long periods of erosion. Animals, plants, and humans live in valleys. Some valleys have forests where plants and animals get food and materials to build shelter. Plains. A plain is a large area of flat land with very little difference in elevation. Plains are flat and wide. That is why it is easy to build homes and farms. Some plains meet the ocean and form coastlines. Plains can have hot or cool temperatures depending on location. Plains are also important in farming and agriculture. Communities and cities are often built on plains. Bodies of water. Bodies of water are natural water features found on Earth. Examples of bodies of water are rivers, seas, and oceans. Rivers. A river is a body of water that flows between lands. Water from rivers comes down from highlands such as mountains and travels through lowlands such as plains and valleys. The largest and longest river in the Philippines is the Cagayan River, which runs for about 500 kilometers and is found in the region of Cagayan Valley. Coastlines. A coastline is where land meets the sea or ocean. Coastlines can be smooth and sandy beaches, cliffs, and coves. Many cities and towns were built near rivers and coastlines. The water is used for irrigation, generating electric power, and drinking. Industry and commerce depend on rivers to transport supplies and equipment. Fishing is another source of livelihood for those living along the rivers and coastlines. Many activities can be done in these areas aside from fishing. These are boating, kayaking, and swimming. Once again, landforms and bodies of water shape the Earth's surface, affect climate and weather, supports plants, animals, and humans, and provide resources and livelihoods. Landforms include mountains, valleys, and plains, while bodies of water include rivers, seas, and oceans. Mountains affect climate and rainfall. Valleys are formed by erosion. Plains are flat and suitable for farming and settlements. Rivers and coastlines are important for water, food, transportation, and recreation. Identify what is being described in each sentence. You may also write your answer in your notebook. 1. A natural landform that reaches high elevations. Mountain. 2. The highest peak in Luzon. Mount Pulag. 3. The mountain range where Mount Pulag is located. Cordillera Central. 4. The highest mountain in the Philippines found in Mindanao. Mount Apo. 5. A low area found between hills or mountains. Valley. 6. Part of the Earth's surface made up of natural features like mountains and plains. Landforms. 7. A flat landform with very little difference in elevation. Plain. 8. A body of water that flows from highlands to lowlands. River. 9. The longest river in the Philippines. Cagayan River. 10. The region in Luzon where the Cagayan River is found. Cagayan Valley. 11. The place where land meets the sea or ocean. Coastline. 12. The type of valley formed mainly by rivers. V-shaped valley. 13. The type of valley formed by glaciers. U-shaped valley. And number 14, the kind of climate usually experienced in mountain areas. Cool climate. What are natural features of the Earth's surface called? A. Buildings. B. Houses. C. Landforms. D. Roads. It's letter C. Landforms. Which of the following is a landform? A. Lake. B. Mountain. C. Ocean. D. River. It's B. Mountain. A mountain is best described as a landform that is A. Flat and wide. B. Low and narrow. C. Always near the sea. D. Reaches high elevations. It's D. Reaches high elevations. Why is the temperature cooler in mountain areas? A. Mountains are near oceans. B. Air is cooler at higher elevations. C. Mountains receive less sunlight. D. There are fewer people. The answer is B. Air is cooler at higher elevations. What mountain range in Luzon is home to Mount Pulag? A. Sierra Madre. B. Caraballo Mountains. C. Cordillera Central. D. Zambales Mountains. It's letter C. Cordillera Central. Valleys are usually found A. Near oceans. B. Between mountains or hills. C. On top of mountains. D. Under the sea. It's letter B. Between mountains or hills. What natural process mainly forms valleys? A. Erosion. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. D. Freezing. It's A. Erosion. Valleys between older mountains are usually wider because A. They have more rain. B. Rivers flow faster. C. They are closer to the sea. D. They have more time to erode. The answer is D. They have more time to erode. Which landform is flat with little difference in elevation? A. Hill. B. Mountain. C. Plain. D. Valley. The answer is C. Plain. Which body of water flows from highlands to lowlands? A. Lake. B. Ocean. C. River. D. Sea. It's letter C. River. What is the longest river in the Philippines? A. Agno River. B. Cagayan River. C. Pampanga River. D. Pasig River. It's letter B. Cagayan River. A coastline is the place where A. Rivers meet rivers. B. Land meets the sea. C. Mountains meet plains. D. Valleys meet hills. The answer is B. Land meets the sea. Which of the following is found along coastlines? A. Beach. B. Desert. C. Plateau. D. Volcano. It's A. Beach. Why are many towns built near rivers and coastlines? A. The land is always high. B. The climate is very cold. C. There are no mountains nearby. D. Water is useful for living and work. The answer is D. Water is useful for living and work. Which activity can be done in rivers and coastlines? A. Mining. B. Farming. C. Boating. D. Mountain climbing. It's letter C. Boating. Which is the highest peak in Luzon? A. Mount Arayat. B. Mount Apo. C. Mount Pinatubo. D. Mount Pulag. The answer is Mount Pulag D. Which type of valley formed by long periods of erosion? A. L-shaped valleys. B. U-shaped valleys. C. V-shaped valleys. D. Flat valleys. The answer is flat valleys D. Which is the highest mountain in the Philippines? A. Mount Arayat. B. Mount Apo. C. Mount Pinatubo. D. Mount Pulag. It's letter B. Mount Apo.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.